Hello dear learners, I'm back with a new video. Today we are going to learn about Russian numbers from 31 to 40. Здравствуйте, дорогие ученики! Я с вами с новым видео. Сегодня мы изучим русские числа от 31 до 40. So let's go. Поехали! Before we start, don't miss to check out my previous videos wherein we learned Russian alphabets, with pronunciations and Russian numbers from 0 to 30. Russian numbers from 31 to 39 follow the pattern of 30 plus the number. It's very easy to remember. 30 plus the number. So let's see how it works. 31 30 plus adin 30 adin. Again 30 adin. 32 30 plus 2 32. Again 32. 33 30 plus 3 33. Again 33. 34 30 plus 4 34. Again 34. 35 30 plus 5 35. Again 35. 36 30 plus 6 36. Again 36. 37 30 plus 7 37. Again 37. 38 30 plus 8 38. Again 38. 39 30 plus 9 39. Again 39. 40 Sorak. Again Sorak. Now let's do a quick revision. 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40. Russian numbers are not very difficult to learn. I hope you found this video useful and easy to understand. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Learn with Adnan, and don't miss to click the bell icon for more updates. See you soon. Paka paka.